Hello, today I made this blending mixer. If we spin this top, the end moves. The reason is because of this main body core. This big one is the one that moves first, and then it's attached to this little one so that this one moves, and then it moves on to this one and then this. Now, because of this little one, the end moves. It's because they are on the same stick. Now I'm going to show you how it's like in the water. This can be used to mix things together or just playing. Thank you for watching this.